I've spent an embarrassing amount of money on Amazon kitchen finds, and these 12 are the ones that I would buy all over again. Everything is linked in the description box below. Okay, first up, and honestly one of my all-time favorite finds, these under cabinet utensil hooks. They're adhesive and 360-degree rotating, so there's no drilling and no damage. I just stuck them under my upper cabinets, and now I have a whole extra drawer's worth of space. I love to use vertical space in small kitchens, and this is a wonderful solution for that. They hold my ladle, spatula, tongs completely off the counter. If you have limited drawer space, these are definitely a game changer. Number 2, and you may have seen my short on these ones, is the magnetic spice rack organizers for the side of your fridge. They stick right to the side and they come with removable hooks too, so I'm storing spices and I'm hanging small tools. If you have a magnetic fridge and a crowded spice cabinet, this is probably the fastest fix on this entire list. Takes 2 minutes to set up and looks fantastic. This one is for anyone who has a cabinet that's basically just a water bottle avalanche waiting to happen. These stackable racks hold your bottles on their sides. They're completely stackable and they work with all different sizes like Stanley cups, regular water bottles, thermoses, all of it. I've gone from a chaotic cabinet to one that actually makes me happy to open. You can get as many racks in the set, fit your cupboards perfectly. All right, pantry people, these clear cube bins with handles are everything. I got the 8-pack. They're 11 by 11 inches, so a nice generous size. I use them for snacks, baking supplies, kids stuff, and because they're clear, you can actually see what's in them, which really helps my entire family. The handles make them so easy to pull out. They work in cabinets, on shelves, in the pantry, and they're honestly one of those purchases that immediately made me feel like my kitchen was organized. If you've never organized your kitchen drawers, this is your sign. These drawer organizers are adjustable. They go from 16 to 22 inches long, and they lock into place with spring tension so they don't move. I used these in my utensil drawer and it went from this absolute jumbled mess to looking like a Pinterest photo in about 10 minutes. They come in a 4-pack and they also work in bathroom drawers, bedroom drawers. I may have just ordered multiple sets of these. Now, this one changed my counter situation in my RV dramatically. It's a roll-up dish drying rack that sits right over your sink. It's stainless steel, foldable, and it drains directly into your sink so there's no water pooling on your counter. When I'm not using it, I just roll it up and stick it behind the sink and it fits perfectly. My little RV countertop looks so much cleaner and I still have a functional drying spot. If you have a tiny kitchen, this find is a must. Okay, this one is so satisfying. I know it sounds weird, but I love this thing. It's a 2-layer egg container for the fridge with a lid, and it actually auto rolls those eggs forward as you take them out, which means that you can always grab the oldest eggs first. No more mystery eggs at the back of the fridge. It holds so many. I put a whole Costco pack of eggs in here, keeps things tidy in your fridge, and it just looks really amazing in the fridge. Sounds small, but it's one of those things that you don't know you need until you have it. If you're going to do any kitchen organizing, and clearly you are because you're watching this video, you need a label maker, and this Bluetooth one is one of my favorites. It connects to your phone, it completely is inkless, rechargeable, and you can choose from tons of fonts right in the app. This is what I use to label my pantry containers and bins. It makes everything look nice and cohesive, super easy to use, and it's one of the most used things in my house. For anyone who has a coffee bar or even just a little coffee corner in the kitchen, these syrup dispensers are so good. I think they look gorgeous. You can get them in a set of 2 or 4 with a gold or black pump, and they come with so many different labels. There's definitely going to be a label for the syrup that you have. I have mine set up in my coffee station with all of my favorite syrups, and it makes it look like a little cafe on my counter. The pumps are really easy to use and clean, and this is just one of those things that instantly elevates your morning routine and looks beautiful. These glass oil and vinegar dispensers are really the most beautiful bottles that I own. They have that gold spout, a weighted pourer that the flow is really perfect, great for cooking, and they come in a set of 2. So I put some olive oil and some vinegar right on the counter near the stove. They look so good, something that you might see in a beautiful restaurant kitchen. The flow is controlled and precise, which is so much better than pouring straight from a giant Costco bottle. It's a small upgrade with a big visual impact. This one is a little luxury that I think about way more than I should. It's an acacia wood salt cellar box with a swivel magnetic lid. You just flip it open, pinch your salt, and you're done. I have mine sitting right next to my stove and it looks so much better than a plastic container or a salt shaker. It holds about 6 ounces, which is plenty, and it works for any kind of salt. I have simple sea salt in mine. It's definitely one of the most charming things in my kitchen. And now let's talk about this glass soap dispenser set, because your sink area deserves to look good too. I love these white bottles, the gold pumps, and it comes with a beautiful tray. It also includes tons of labels for dish soap, hand soap, and lotion, so everything is labeled and cohesive. This is the kind of item that costs almost nothing but makes your kitchen sink area look completely put together. So much better than branded bottles beside your sink. Mine has been on my counter for a couple years now and it still looks great. Everything I showed you today is linked in that description box below. I have my affiliate links which cost you nothing extra but do support this channel and I really appreciate it. If you picked up a favorite, let me know in the comments which one. I love hearing which finds you end up getting. And subscribe if you want more cozy home finds like this, and I'll see you in the next video.